All right, we're going to do exercise 10-29 now, and this is a little bit different version of a cash budget. We have the following budgeted data for the year, but the expenses are in financial terms, mostly the depreciation we have to deal with. And remember that depreciation is a non-cash expense, so we're going to have to take that out. And so we've got Marcia Inc., and we're given some information on 10-29. The beginning cash balance is equal to $15,000. And then the collections from customers is estimated to be 145. So cash collections or cash receipts, however you want to word that, 145,000. That will give us our cash available of $160,000. All right, now we've got some expenses here. The operating expenses, and I'm going to do this off to the side. So for the expenses, the direct materials purchases are going to be $25,000. The operating expenses are $50,000. But if we read ahead, it says operating expenses include $20,000 in depreciation. Depreciation is a non-cash expense, so we're only going to put down $30,000 here because we're looking for cash disbursements. Payroll is $75,000. And then income taxes are $6,000. Guess I didn't get the word that taxes are deferred until July 15th this year. All right, so that's going to give us our, the other thing that we have is machinery purchases, but I like to put a separate line for capital expenditures, just kind of keep track of where it's going. So that's going to be 75 and 25 is 100, 130, 136,000. So our cash disbursements that'll give us 24,000. And but then we have then we have our machinery purchases, or our capital expenditures, and that's 30,000. So that means that our tentative balance is a negative 6,000. And that's okay, because it says that the company requires a minimum cash balance of 25,000. So since we're negative here, we're going to end up with the minimum cash balance. So that means we're going to have loan proceeds of 31,000. There weren't any, didn't have to make any interest payments or anything like that. So, so that's going to be our answer. There is we need to borrow 31,000 for this exercise. So that takes care of exercise 10-29.